Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to enter the diagnostic mode on a Whirlpool washing machine. So when you have a problem with your washing machine, the service red light will start to flash. So to enter the test mode, just turn the dial anti-clockwise to drain and press the reset button 4 times within 5 seconds. Your machine will then start a series of tests and the lights will start to strobe across the top. It is now going to test the door interlock is working correctly. Then it will start to fill the washing machine with water. Then it will test each water valve separately, filling it with water. So now it's testing the motor by rotating clockwise and then anti-clockwise. After the test, the machine will go into empty cycle, where it will drain the water from your washing machine, and this is where most people will have problems with water not being able to drain, usually due to foreign objects being stuck in the pump. Once the machine has emptied, it will now do a full test on the motor at maximum RPM. So it's completed all the tests with no problems, but if you're still finding any problems with your machine or you need parts, then I would advise you to seek help from a professional. You will need the model number and the 12-digit number. You'll find this on the inside of the door here, or it can be found at the rear of the machine. So now that we've got all that out of the way, I'm going to show you how to fix the draining problems. So if you experience wet clothes after the final spin, or the door stays locked with the clothes still inside, you may have a blockage in your pump. You will find the access door at the front of the washing machine down the bottom. To open the cover, just use a screwdriver and grab yourself a shallow plastic tub and towels to catch the water. My plastic dish was a bit too big, so I'm just going to use a towel for this demo. So I would recommend you using a shallow small dish to catch the water to protect your floor. So just turn the filter anti-clockwise slowly to control the water flow being released, and you will notice the water will start to pour out. Once the water has fully drained, you can now remove the filter and check to see what's inside. So I'm just going to feel around in there to see if anything's got stuck. And what about that? It's Peppa Pig. And he's lost his arm. He's now lost his other arm. Sometimes you might get hair, etc. That might get clogged in between here. So I'm just going to run this under a tap to clean it a bit. So I'm just going to pop that back in there. And to close, just turn clockwise and fully close it tightly. And finally, put the cover back in place. And that's it. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. I'll have some more videos coming out soon. Bye for now.